tremor in the air that you cannot escape. All the little things you buried coming back around. In the stillness, there's a hollow sound. I was walking through the echoes of a younger day. Every step I took was drifting further away from the lines I thought were holding me in place. Now they're falling without a trace. Oh, it's under your skin. Where to start? Where'd you begin? Hey, it's a hollow sound rising up, dragging down in your bones,